Hello guys, I'm Emitiur Malau with name 42231311035, Bilingual Chemistry Education Study Program, Generation 2022, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science, Universitas Negeri Medan. This time, I will make a tutorial on how to draw standard graph, bar graphs, and describe the structure of the chemical compounds in 3 dimensions. And here it is. First, we look at the existing data, then we input into Microsoft Excel. For number 1, part A asks to describe the standard curve. By the way, the device I use doesn't support a comma in the table, so here I replace the comma with full stop. Okay, now we fill in the concentration section, then the absorbance. After all the data has been input into Microsoft Excel, now we select all the data and arrange it to the format you want. And click Insert, then select Scatter and choose the second part of the curve. After that, set the curve caption position. Click Curve, then select Layout, then click Axis Title and choose Primary Horizontal Axis Title, then select Title below Axis and replace the adverb with the word concentration mu divided milliliters. After that, click on the chart again, select Layout, then choose Axis Title and choose Primary Vertical Axis Title, then select Rotate Title and replace description with absorbance. For the description of the graphic image, we click on the graphic and select Layout and click on the chart title, then select above chart and replace the description with Table 1 Standard Curve Data. For the last, set the position of the charts as you want. For number 1, part B, we are asked to draw a graph of the result of the sample analysis. Almost the same as part A, we input all the data into Microsoft Excel. The concentration of sample 1, sample 2, sample 3 in units of time, minutes. After all the data is input to Microsoft Excel, select all the data, arrange it according as one. After that, click the insert and select the column and choose the column of 2 dimension with the column of the first part. By the way, the data you must select should start from cell A2 to D10 because if you start from cell A1 to D10, the graph is not that clear, like the following chart. But if you select it starting from an empty cell beside its concentration mu divided milliliters, the graphic image will be clear. Like the following chart. The next step is to arrange the charts as needed. Click Insert and click Layout and click Axis Title and choose Primary Horizontal Axis Title and put on title below axis. And then replace the caption with the time minutes. The next step is almost the same. Click Insert, click Layout and click Axis Title and select Primary Vertical Axis Title and select Rotated Title, then replace the description with Sample. Then select Insert and click Layout, then click the chart title and choose the above chart, and then replace the description with Table 2 FA concentration data. For number 2, we are told to present graphical data based on high school students' learning outcomes in chemistry. We analyze all the data, then input it to Microsoft Excel and input sample data, namely pretest and posttest. And here there are 26 data that will be input into Microsoft Excel. After all inputted to Excel, then we select all the data, set the format as desired, then click Insert, click Columns, and select the first chart of the 2 columns dimension, and arrange the graph as needed. Information on the graph: red diagram means post-test and blue means pre-test. Then click the graph and select Layout and click the chart title and choose Place it above the chart and replace the description with Table 3 Data on High School Student Learning Outcomes in Chemistry Student. And settle the graphic position as you want. Here, we can also add sample values on the graph. We click the graph, then click Layout and click Data Labels and choose Outside In. For question number 3, we are asked to analyze the following compound and describe the compound using one of the web-based application, iOS or Android. For now, I will describe the chemical structure in 3 dimensions by application molecular constructor. For the part A is fenvalerate and B omeprazole. Fenvalerate C19H25Cl N2OS. Another name is Senmate. Function: insecticide, pest control. It's a highly effective agricultural chemical and toxicological. Several injuries have been recorded on crops such as cucumber, eggplant, tomato, pear, and mandarin orange. First, we click on the letter C on the screen. Then, select some of the elements needed to compose the fenvalerate molecule. Here I add the elements, not all, at once so as not to be mistaken. After selecting several elements, now is the time for us to form bonds or double bonds between one element and another, for example, the hydrogen bonds and carbon elements. By clicking on one element until a black line appears on the element, then click on another element. To move elements, first remove the black lines on the very first with click the screen anywhere except the element and click on the new element that will be duplicated again. Do it for other elements. If you need duplicates, such as oxygen and carbon elements, click on one element, then click on the other elements 2 times for duplicates. If you need triplicates, like the nitrogen and carbon elements, then click on one element, then click on the other elements 3 times for the triplicate. Omeprazole C17H19 and 303S is a drug to treat high stomach acid disorders. It is a class for hard drugs in the category of anti-reflux, anti-ulceration drugs. Trademarks is capsule ozid, zolocid, omet, and ulprush. Just like the vanillate molecule, we add the elements one by one, then give bonds to one element with another. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.